Welcome to CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this backboard and rim combination kit 79910. There are a couple things you'll want to make sure of before purchasing this to make sure that it's the right fit for you. First of all, this is a backboard and rim combination, which means it includes the backboard and the rim. It also includes the hardware to attach the rim to the backboard, and it includes the nylon net. It also includes this backboard frame pad. What it doesn't include the backboard brackets. If you scroll down, you'll see there's a little chart with backboard brackets. Some customers purchase this as a replacement for an existing backboard. If you're that customer, you'll want to be aware of the following. Is your existing backboard and rim a Lifetime brand? If so, you may be in luck. Not all Lifetime backboards work with existing Lifetime systems. If your pole is round and it is an existing Lifetime brand, then this backboard will work with your existing setup. No extra brackets needed. If your pole is square, even if it's a Lifetime brand, that means you can only get a replacement backboard by contacting customer service directly at 800-225-3865. They're not available to order online. What if you want this backboard and rim and you have a pole, but it's not a Lifetime brand? As long as your pole is 3.5 inches round in diameter, then additional brackets could be a great option for you, and it would make it compatible. There's two types of brackets. These are them here. There are adjustable brackets, model 1044, and there are non-adjustable brackets that are fixed height, model 9594. We highly recommend watching the video for each of these brackets to determine which option is best for you. So again, as long as your pole is 3.5 inches round in diameter, that means we have an option that will work. What if your pole is larger than 3.5 inches, or it's square? Unfortunately, Lifetime does not make anything that will work with a pole that is larger than 3.5 inches round. If you have a 4-inch square pole, there is a Spalding option, but not a Lifetime option. If you have a square pole, please check out model number 316. Those brackets do work on a square pole that's 4 inches. Now, what about customers who are purchasing this to mount to a wall or a roof? In that case, you will still need brackets. Fortunately, Lifetime makes brackets for walls and roofs. They are the same brackets for the poles. They simply convert to mount to a wall or a roof, leaving you with extra parts depending on what you decide. Both Lifetime brackets 9594 and 1044 mounts to a wall. If you click on the link and you check out the description for the brackets, you'll notice here you can see that it mounts to a pole that's 3.5 inches round in diameter. This one also mounts to a wall. So let me go back to the 9594 model. The 9594 bracket, if you click on that, it'll take you to the listing that'll show you more information. You'll see that this one also mounts to a wall, a roof, or a 3.5 inch round pole. Regarding roof mounts, only model 9594 works on a roof with this backboard. The roof mount is not adjustable. However, whether the roof is flat or sloped, this bracket will work. It adjusts in the sense that it accommodates the pitch of the roof, but it does not adjust in height. The adjustable bracket 1044 does not work for a roof mount. So if you're replacing an existing Lifetime system and your existing pole is round, this will work. If you're replacing an existing Lifetime backboard that is mounted already to a wall or a roof using existing Lifetime brackets, this backboard will work. If you're purchasing this new to mount to an existing pole that's 3.5 inches round and it's not a Lifetime brand, then this will work provided that you purchase the brackets 1044 or 9594. If you're purchasing this new to mount to a roof, then this will work provided that you purchase these brackets model 9594. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to like this video or subscribe to our channel. If there's still questions about compatibility or anything like that, please leave a comment and we will reply back to you shortly. Thanks for watching.